Feathers flutter, wings that sing. Let's learn birds with joy and spring. Tiny sparrow, chirp so sweet, dancing round with little feet. Green parrot with red beak bright, repeats your words from day to night. Cock spreads its feathers wide, India's pride with dancing stride. Clever and strong, caws so loud all day long. High and free, brings us messages joyfully. Clear, her song is music to every ear. Kingfisher blue by the stream, catches fish like in a dream. With eyes so big and bright, watches quietly through the night. Duck goes quack in the pond all day, splashing water in a happy way. On the farm with lots of luck, cock-a-doodle-doo with cheerful heart. Fly so high, strong and proud, it loves to fly. White swan glides on waters clear, graceful beauty, calm and dear. Woodpecker taps on tree with glee, drumming song for you and me. Koel sings cuckoo tune, welcomes bright and happy June. Crane stands tall by river wide, searching fish with patient pride. Myna talks and sings all day, loves to chatter, jump and play. Hummingbird tiny, wings so fast, drinks from flowers as she goes past. Partridge walks on grassy ground, makes a gentle whistling sound. Vulture soars with wings so wide, cleans the earth, nature's guide. Birds that fly, sing and play, let's protect them every day.